I don't want all of it in this batch. This is going to go over in the tomato garden because my tomatoes are crying and a lot of my seedlings are crying. But this is how much I'm doing here. So, yes, some of these are crying. They need to get into the dirt and live. This one, probably gone. But this one, probably gone. I'll do the best I can with them. Don't get bronchitis when it's planting time. It taps your energy. And I'm still having a hard time breathing, but I'm going to see if I can plant these. Noah can't help today because this is his final week of school and he's got work to do for school. So I'm not taking him from that. If he could spare the time, it hurts to breathe. If he could spare the time, then he'd gladly help. But I don't want him to put my garden through before he puts his schoolwork. It's just, he's got goals and they're maybe not mine. He helps when he can, he can't when he can't. And that's why we love him. These are tomato buckets here. I'm going to dump these into the barrel and amend it along with some dirt from here. But first we'll take these out since they're transported over here already. Breathing still. Bronchitis when you're planting. This is way for making yogurt. And this is compost tea that I made from compost that I saved. And oh, it's ripe. That is smelly tea. I mixed this off camera. Okay. Now for my next trick is to get these babies in while my back hurts. My knees have had procedures done, so I can't kneel down. It would be really handy if I could. So a chair is my goal here. Get these babies in. This is a black Prince. This is a huckleberry wall. I probably killed it, but we'll plant him. I wonder if I could plant them in that bucket. This is a Cherokee purple. And this is a San Marzano. We'll put him over here. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot. I'm planting tomatoes here. We're going to lay them proper, don't we? This is how you lay a tomato. That way it gets roots better. If it lives. This is another huckleberry. I'll love that someplace else. This is a Berkeley tie-dye. I want to have enough room to put in some marigolds, because marigolds will deter hornworms that eat your tomatoes. This is a brandy wine. I do enjoy brandy wine. This is brandy wine. I think I dropped my tag for this one over there. On the other side of the barrel. Yeah, this is the tie-dye. Shame on me just flickering that away. And brandy wine again. This was brandy wine, right? Put the brandy wines together. That's sweet basil from last year. I hear somebody that wants to come outside. This is another Berkeley tie-dye. You're a bit windy, you keep falling down. And a Cherokee purple. These are really sad, but I'm hoping that getting them into the ground today will save them. What do you think? Now I've got 2 huckleberries. I've never grown huckleberry. I don't rightly know how to grow a huckleberry, but I'm gonna give it the old college try. I think they're cool. We have blueberries here in Maine. We don't really have huckleberries, but I hear tell that huckleberries are a sweet, bigger blueberry. In Maine, our wild blueberries are sweeter than the cultivated ones. So that hose that was left out all winter, just tried to turn it on to water these plants in. I need a new nozzle. The hose is fine, but we need a new nozzle. Don't leave your hose out all winter. So I'm just looking at the sky and the trees in my area, in my backyard, and the wind blowing, and the trees bending to the breeze. I just planted out my tomatoes that survived and my marigolds that survived, my 2 huckleberries. I think one of them might make it. I'm not so sure about the other huckleberry. But I think that's all I can do this afternoon. I've been sitting here for about 20 minutes trying to catch my breath and hacking and coughing. And I'm going to give myself some grace because I can't do everything all at once. I've been working outside for probably an hour. I don't know what time it is now, but I'm going to give myself some grace for what I haven't gotten in because, pardon me, I'm sorry, I'm still a snot factory. I have been working in 20 to 30 minute intervals. Ooh, I still have one more job to do.